Welcome children. Today's worksheet number 21, metals and non-metals. In this worksheet we will learn about displacement reaction. In last worksheet we had learned about displacement reaction. Now once again we look into displacement reaction. As you know, some metals are very reactive, some metals are less reactive. कुछ बहुत तेज़ी से रिएक्ट करती हैं, कुछ some metals are less reactive, and also some metals do not react with anyone. They don't react with any substance. For this, let's do an activity. Take 100 ml beakers and label them A and B. दो beaker लेने हैं and label them as A and B. Take about 50 ml water in each beaker. दोनों बीकर में क्या ऐड किया बच्चों हमने 50 ml ऑफ वाटर. डिसॉल्व इन ईच बीकर अ टीस्पूनफुल ऑफ कॉपर सल्फेट. कॉपर सल्फेट इज a chemical compound which is blue in color and formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. Put a galvanized iron nail or zinc strip in beaker A. तो बीकर A में हमें क्या डालना है कॉपर सल्फेट के साथ? गैल्वेनाइज्ड आयरन इस नेल और जिंक स्ट्रिप या जिंक मेटल की स्ट्रिप डालेंगे और गैल्वेनाइज्ड आयरन नेल मीन्स आयरन ऑब्जेक्ट और आयरन नेल विच इज कोटेड विथ मेटल जिंक दैट इज कॉल्ड गैल्वेनाइज्ड आयरन नेल एंड आयरन नेल इन बीकर बी. और बीकर बी में हमने क्या डाला है बच्चों? एन सिंपल आयरन नेल एंड रिकॉर्ड द ऑब्जर्वेशन. Here the galvanized iron nails are nails which are coated with zinc metal. You can also take any galvanized iron object in place of nail. Now we will note our observation. What we have seen in beaker A, zinc displaces copper very fast from copper sulfate. तो बीकर ए में हम क्या देखते हैं? जिंक और galvanized iron object displaces copper very fast from copper sulfate. That is why the blue color of copper sulfate disappears. copper sulfate का कलर कैसा है बच्चों? ब्लू. Blue color of copper sulfate disappear and powdery brown black mass of copper is deposited on the nail or strip. और nail और strip के ऊपर क्या डिपॉजिट हो जाता है? powdery brown black mass of copper. और कॉपर सल्फेट का ब्लू कलर क्या हो जाता है बच्चों? डिसअपियर. इन बीकर ए रिएक्शन क्या होती है? copper sulfate formula is CuSO4 plus zinc formula is Zn. When zinc reacts with copper sulfate, zinc sulfate is formed. Formula is ZnSO4 and copper is displaced Cu. In beaker B, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate very slowly. This reaction is very slow reaction. Beaker B, copper sulfate CuSO4 plus iron. Iron means symbol is Fe. Iron is Fe and iron reacts with copper sulfate and it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and it forms ferrous sulfate solution. Formula of ferrous sulfate is FeSO4 and copper is displaced. Observe the given list of metals. This is a reactivity series table. Here you have to given the list of metals and this list of metals is called reactivity series. इसे हम क्या कहते हैं बच्चों? This one is reactivity series. First of all, K is the metal potassium, sodium, Na is the metal sodium, Ca calcium, it is also a metal, magnesium Mg, it is also a metal. Then aluminium, Al, zinc, Zn, Fe, iron, all these are metals बच्चों. Pb, lead, copper, Cu, these are the symbols of the metals. Hg, mercury, Ag, silver, and Au, gold. So all these metals are arranged in decreasing order of their reactivity. It means uppermost or topmost metal is most reactive metal is that potassium. Potassium is most reactive metal and gold is least reactive metal. If we place any above metal in the salt solution of lower metal, if we take the salt solution of any lower metal and we placed above metal in the salt solution of lower metal, the reaction will take place. If we put lower metal in the above metal salt solution, the reaction will not take place. अगर हम किसी मेटल को ऐसी मेटल के सॉल्यूशन में डालते हैं जो रिएक्टिविटी सीरीज में उससे नीचे आ रही है, तो क्या होगा बच्चों? रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस, क्योंकि जो ऊपर आ रही है मेटल, अबव मेटल है, दैट इज़ मोर रिएक्टिव देन लोअर मेटल. और अगर हम किसी मोर रिएक्टिव मेटल सॉल्यूशन में लेस रिएक्टिव मेटल को से रिएक्ट कराते हैं या डालते हैं, देन नो रिएक्शन विल टेक प्लेस बिकॉज मेटल इज लोअर मेटल इज लेस रिएक्टिव देन above metal. It means more reactive metals displaces less reactive metals from their compound or salt solution or compound in aqueous solution. More reactive metal less reactive metal को displace कर सकती है उसके salt solution या compound के aqueous solution से, but less reactive metal can't displace more reactive metal from their compound in aqueous solution or salt solution. Now check yourself. First question is, what is the color of copper sulfate? So you have seen color of copper sulfate and copper. So color of copper sulfate is blue and color of copper is brown. Brown, black you can write. Second question, why copper can't displaces zinc from its salt solution? Why copper can't displace? Copper is less reactive than zinc. Copper metal is less reactive than zinc metal, so copper can't displace zinc from its salt solution. Question number 3, arrange zinc, iron and copper metals in decreasing order of their reactivity. So which one is most reactive metal in these three, zinc, iron and copper? Most reactive is zinc, so you have to write zinc, Zn, and it is most reactive, then zinc, then iron. Iron is less reactive than zinc but more reactive than copper, and in the end you have to write copper. Copper is least reactive in these three metals. Next, what happens when iron nail is placed in copper sulfate solution? Iron nails is placed in copper sulfate. Iron is more reactive than copper, so iron displaces the copper because iron is more reactive than copper. So iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and forms, क्या बनाता है बच्चों? ferrous sulfate solution and copper is displaced. So you have to write the reaction and you have to give reason why iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution, because iron is more reactive than copper metal. Now complete the reaction. Zinc plus dash zinc sulfate. So you have to write here copper sulfate. Formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4. So it displaces, zinc displaces copper and it forms zinc sulfate and copper is displaced. Thanks for watching.